Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to install Game Loop on your computer. Well, to do that, go to the official Game Loop website, which is gameloop.com. Then locate the download button on the website and click on it. This will initiate the download of the Game Loop installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click on it to run the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Then choose the installation location and click Install to begin the installation process. Allow the installer to complete the installation process. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer specification. Once installed, launch GameLoop by double-clicking its desktop icon or finding it in the Start menu. Sign in with your existing account or create a new one. This account is necessary to access the games and features within GameLoop. Then explore the available games within GameLoop and download your desired ones directly through the platform. And that's how to install GameLoop in your PC. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.